What is fear? How does Tara help deal with it? During our existences, we face two kinds of fear. The first fear is not obtaining what we wish. The second fear is not being able to eliminate danger, threat, or circumstances painful for us. Because of one or another of these reasons, we often find ourselves afraid at various levels, from worry to fright. If we look closely, we see that the real cause of fear is none other than the ego itself, or more exactly, attachment to the ego, the one. The greater this attachment, the more numerous are the fearful states. All that threatens me in one way or another engenders fear. All that I risks to lose engenders fear. Fear and a belief in the reality of I, fear and attachment to oneself are very closely related. On this profound cause, various factors are grafted, such as circumstances of existence, but also some karmic predispositions. The karmic predispositions sometimes engender fear, apparently without reason, or a state of almost permanent worry that no outer event can justify.